In this video, I'm going to show you how to get $100 of free advertising credits on the freeadforum.com so you can upgrade your ads so that they appear on the first page of the freeadforum.com, in the gallery section, and at the top of your category. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment free credits below, and I'll also send you a link with the written instructions on how to do this. So let's go. Okay, so here's the freeadforum.com. This site has been around forever. It's got over 500,000 members. Just organically, it gets thousands of ads you can put on here every single day. I don't even do any promotion for it right now. It just gets lots of traffic because it's been around forever. So when you get free credits, what that allows you to do is to upgrade your free ad. So you can put a free ad here, and then when you upgrade your ad, you can come up here and have your ad in the gallery. Now, none of these people put pictures, which is silly. The ads would look a lot better with pictures, but that's their choice. But anyways, your ad will appear up in the gallery, right in rotation there, which gives you extra exposure. And if you put a picture in it and you're smart, it'll look better than all the others, okay? So in addition to your ad, when you upgrade your ad, in addition, you get to the top of your category. So this is actually maybe even better. And so we come here and we'll look to business opportunities, which is the most popular category. And come down here, again, we have all these ads, and your ad's going to appear up here. Here we are in the work at home category. Now you see there's an ad highlighted here. With credits, you could pay to have your ad highlighted and put up here and priority position at the top of your category, right? Now this is a popular category, so you're going to see there's a number of premium ads here. So you, bottom line, you get more exposure. I'll show you what I mean. This ad so far, let's check the views. It's got 817 views. That's pretty good because it's given a priority placement on the website. So that's what these free credits can give you. Okay, say I come here and I put a free ad on the freeadforum.com. Now I'm given these options to upgrade. So I've got one here for $20, which gives me everything. It gives it highlighted, puts it at the top of my category, puts it in the front page, in the gallery section in rotation. So let's say I come here. Now what I'm going to see is an option to pay. So here's my sample ad, okay? And I'm ready to pay for the upgrade, and I have a choice. I have different payment options where I can pay with real money or I can pay with credits. We're going to fill your account, if you're going to do what I'm going to tell you here in a few seconds, with $100 worth of credits. If you don't have any credits in it, it'll say your wallet is empty. So I can pay with this with my credits, okay? And down here is my test ad, which I'm going to delete. But right at the top of my category, highlighted, the whole 9 yards. On top of that, when you get the $20 one, it bumps it up to the top of your category every 24 hours. That's a nice one. Okay, I'm going to delete this because I'm not really saying anything here. But that's what you use the credit for, to update your ad. So that would be a $20 credit. If I give you $100 worth, you could do that 5 times for 5 ads. You can see I showed you they are getting views. So let me show you how to get the credits. Okay, so what you need to do is come to this page on the freeadforum.com and comment free credits below, and I will send you the direct link to this page, okay? So you come to this page, and what you're going to do is you're going to click here where it says click on this link to open the rotator. And what's going to happen is you're going to see websites, okay? And you're going to then click off the browser and then come up here and do it again. I'm going to show you again here, okay? Keep on going. You might get a few 404s coming up. So here we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click off the browser and then keep rotating. And we're going to look for a specific page. Okay. Going to keep rotating. And if you see anything interesting here, well, by all means, go ahead and opt in. Okay. I would like to encourage you to opt in and support our members. And by the way, if you want to get into this rotation, you can join ClassifiedSubmissions.com as a paid member, any of our plans, and we'll put your link in rotation when anybody logs into one of 80 sites. 80 different sites will be in rotation, not just the freeadforum.com. So again, I'll put that information down below. But you keep on clicking this until you get to a page. Now you're going to look for a page that looks like this. So you come to this page, then you're going to put your name and your email. Come here and you click get free credits, and you're going to come here and you're going to come to a page, and it's going to say the code is whatever. Okay, then you come and click this link and you fill out this form. You put the correct code in. We're going to update the code every few weeks or so. Fill this out and we will add the credits to your wallet on the freeadforum.com. So you do have to have an account on the freeadforum.com, but that's free. You just sign up for free there. So that's how you can get $100 in free credits, by viewing the web pages. Eventually you'll run across the right one. You might have to click a while, and then go ahead, fill this form, and we will give you $100 of credits worth of credits for absolutely free on your freeadforum.com. Again, comment free credits below. I'll give you the link with the instructions to go ahead and do it, and go ahead and get your free credits. We look forward to giving them to you and getting you some free advertising for your offers. All right, thanks so much. And remember as well to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and why not share the video if you think some other people you know are looking for free traffic for their offers. It's a good deal. Please share. Thank you so much.